In massive rotator cuff tendon tear, there will be a superior migration of the head of the humerus and it causes impingement at the subacromial space. You know why it happens? Whenever there is an abduction movement happens, if the supraspinatus is intact, then the supraspinatus muscle will make sure that the head of the humerus is stabilized against the glenoid fossa, and at some point it also causes inferior glide as the deltoid is contracting towards abduction. Now, if this tendon is cut and if it is retracted back, then whatever the stabilization job done by the supraspinatus could not be done. Maybe the other rotator cuff can cope up, but sometimes it cannot. That's when the deltoid, when it contracts, there will be a superior translation of the head of the humerus. Rather than abduction combined with the rotatory movement, there will be a abduction combined with a superior gliding, and every time the patient is doing an abduction movement, there will be a concomitant superior gliding of the head of the humerus, and this becomes so habitual that the head of the humerus will make a false joint at the subacromial space. We call that as acetabolization of the undersurface of the acromia. So instead of the head of the humerus forming a joint here and moving like this, the head of the humerus will form under the acromia of the joint, and then the movement will happen here at this level. And this is one of the characteristics of chronic rotator cuff tendon tear, and that also results in rotator cuff arthropathy.